going on, everybody? It's your boy Michael Higgins, and we'll be talking about Maslow's hierarchy today. I felt that need to bring it into existence to people that didn't know about it because people are feeling depressed in this world. They're feeling stagnant. They're just not on all cylinders because there's things in their life that they need to be implemented, and they don't know that it needs to be implemented because they've never been taught this knowledge. I came into this knowledge of Maslow's hierarchy when I was in sociology class back in 2012 when I got my degree. And once I knew this knowledge, I know that I need to implement certain things in my life to make sure I can be on the highest level, which the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy is self-actualization. And at that time, I was on a higher level of self-actualization because I was creating a lot of books, poetry, business planning. My mom was very open to receiving things that help my community or just help out individuals. But now that I have implemented this stuff in my life throughout the countless years that I had my associate's degree, now I want to give back. So I'm giving you the knowledge of Maslow's hierarchy. And as you can see, it is in the pyramid. The 5 levels of Maslow's hierarchy is physiological, safety, loving and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. At the lowest level is physiological, which is in the red. I put it in the red because you are in danger of losing your life when any of these become a need. When you need to breathe, you are close to dying. When you need food, you are close to dying. When you need water, you are close to dying. When you need sleep, you are on a path of destruction that will probably lead you to dying. If you don't excrete yourself, I don't even know what can happen. And if you're lacking in sex, you could be going to jail pretty soon because you might be on a rape charge. You know what I mean? You need to express your sexual needs too. You know what I mean? The brother that got blue balls right now, he's shaking his head like, yes, I understand. Okay, so once you get past that level, now you move into the orange zone, which is actually the safety zone. At this level, you're thinking about protecting yourself. You're thinking about locking my door, making sure my windows are sealed so the cold weather does not come in. You're thinking about taking care of your health. It could be losing weight, could be rehabbing your knees, or whatever the case may be. That's the level of needs that you're at. Or you might just be low on your natural resources. It could be that you're aware that you're running low on water in your geographical area. You might have to migrate. So that's going to cause an alarm that your resources are getting low and you're not going to be thinking about creating higher level things. So at the next level, which is the yellow on the pyramid, you have loving and belonging. Everybody, I don't care who it is, needs social interaction. That's why I do not condone solitary confinement, because it is a way to lead somebody down the path of madness. People need to be loved and to give love. It's just a natural human inclination. Like chimpanzees are very social. It's in their DNA. It's in humans' DNA to love one another to a certain degree, because, you know what I mean, the KKK showed that you don't have to love certain races of people, but they still met at their little organizations and shit like that and have their good social white time. So you do need your social interaction. You also, on this level, you're thinking about your family, making sure your family's okay. You're checking in on your love life, making sure your lover is feeling your passion and you know where her passion lies. Like y'all really building on an intimate level. The next level is the green level. Know what I mean? I put it at green because you're on a path of getting money at that level. Or you're looking like money, you know what I mean? Because you're really caring about yourself, you know what I mean? It's about your self-esteem improving. This could be you working out more to get the abs. It could be you creating things that will boost your self-esteem, like you wrote a book or whatever, or that you created an invention or something like that. Like you're on a level where you're doing stuff that's going to boost your self-esteem. And once your self-esteem is boosted, or you could have boosted, say, your self-esteem due to education. Now, I mean, now that you're more educated, you feel more confident in going, say, pursue real estate or whatever the case may be. Since you gained that knowledge, now, I mean, you feeling confident, now you want to go out there and practice and share it to the world. And that's self-actualization, where you actually will go out there and start your real estate company, or you create a book, or you're giving back to society, you're reading books to the kids and stuff like that. You're actually caring about your environment and how can you bring it to a higher level. So you have to go through those 4 levels of needs to get to self-actualization, where you're creating on a high level. Like Benjamin Franklin, Benjamin Franklin been doing all kinds of creative things, starting the libraries, the firefighting company, creating University of Pennsylvania. All this stuff happens at the highest level of self-actualization, but he's pretty chubby, so he's eating like everything was built up for him to walk up that ladder to success. You know what I mean? He's a very good person if you want to study somebody going through the self-improvement stages. It's just somebody to really study and understand if you want to, you know what I mean, mimic somebody that went through a lot of creativity. Because he did create a whole bunch. It's revolutionary. He was doing his thing. There's a reason why he's on the $100 bill. And all these presidents now on the $100 bills, you know what I'm saying? It's all in the eye of the beholder. Anywho, this is your boy Michael Higgins. Go out there and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Like this video. Follow me on YouTube. And also follow me on LaughThinkEat.com and sign up. Because there's a lot of stuff that I do on LaughThinkEat.com that never makes it to YouTube. But I don't want you to miss out. So make sure you go to LaughThinkEat.com and sign up. And to recap, if you can't do nothing right, don't do shit at all. This is your boy Michael Higgins signing off. Holla.